What's going on YouTube? This is What Would Josh Do, and today is a day. So my daughter turns 13 soon, and she wanted a new phone for her birthday, and so I got her the iPhone SE 2020. Not the best thing for a knife, but whatever, gets the job done. All right, so here's the phone. This is a phone that can be had for just $399. I paid $50 more to get 128 gigs just because there's no way to expand that storage. And I feel that 64 gigs, since your apps and your pictures and videos are all in the same loop hole, like the same pool, then 128 is perfect. Because if it gets to the point where you have 128 gigs and it says your phone is full, there is probably some stuff you can delete to free up plenty of space. So let's see. Ooh, I like that. They make it easy to open. You don't have to cut nothing. Or let's see. Let's open this thing up. Voila. All right. So this is $449. This is an extra $50 for the 128 gigs, and I feel that it's worth it. Comes with a 5-watt charger. Don't use this unless it's your only choice. I have an official 18-watt USB-C adapter coming in the mail, so because this phone will charge at 18 watts, which I'm going to show you that. Then it comes with the Lightning headphones if you need to use wired headphones, because it doesn't have a headphone jack on this phone. No, just a charging and volume buttons. That's it, and a SIM card. And then our USB to Lightning. So we'll use this for like power banks to charge up the phone. But don't charge your phone at 5 watts unless that's your only option. That's just slow. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Taking a look at it, we've got our volume up and down. We've got our mute button, which is pretty awesome. You know, she's a kid and she's going to be in class. And knowing that it's going to be on silent is nice. And then you got your power button, your SIM card, your speakers, and then your Lightning port for charging. So the phone is near full, which is, I was hoping to be a little bit dead. And so that way we could show it charging at full speed, because as your phone battery is higher and higher, meaning like 80%, 90%, it's going to slow down the charging. So if it's less than that, then it will be faster. So we'll set up Touch ID later. We're going to create a passcode. In the options, you can choose a 4-digit instead of a longer one. Move data from Android. Interesting. Let's set this up as a whole new phone, though. So we made her a child account, but very soon here, it should hopefully auto turn into a 13 plus account. If it doesn't, we'll have to make her a new one, but whatever. I am truly special. I didn't realize I needed to type at iCloud at the end for the email. And so I was going through all these troubleshooting steps trying to figure out why the password wasn't sticking, because it's a brand new iCloud account. That was interesting. So you could change like how hard it vibrated when you press the home button. That's pretty cool. And there we go. There is our brand new iPhone SE 2020. This has the A13, which is the same chip that's going to be in the iPhone 11. So this is going to be a very fast processor for a mobile phone. It's going to have 3 gigs of RAM, which is plenty enough for iOS and kids especially. Now she can FaceTime and use iMessage and play on an iPhone. I mean, she's been using Android since I took the HP touchpad and flashed Android on it. So we'll see. She may or may not like it. And but yeah, I mean, it's got a awesome camera if you want to take pictures, and awesome video. I'm not really a channel based around like reviews or camera quality or anything, but it has one of the best cameras possible in a smartphone, and for just $399. Or $449, like the one I have. And once the next screen loads, you swipe down and it'll show you your apps and you hit update all. So you got a little home button to take you back home. And this is also your fingerprint, so she can use her fingerprint, and then I'll also register my fingerprint because she's a child, I'm an adult, and I want to know if she's talking to strangers or not. Like, you know, I don't know. You know, each parent does things their own way, but I want to know sooner than later if something bad's about to happen. But yeah, that is the new iPhone. I'm gonna let her peel off the stuff. So let's wait for this battery to drain a little bit. Let me show you how fast this A13 chip is. This is a game called Township, available on Google and Android and other devices such as Amazon. So if you've ever played this game, I played it on a Amazon tablet, like the 8-inch version, with just a little dual core, and it took forever to get to your zoo. Like, it would take several seconds, not forever. But certain things just took a lot longer to happen. And on here, it's like the moment you go to your zoo, and this was a process that took several seconds, but there's no downtime at all. It's instant. The moment you load your zoo, it's instant. There's no delaying. So it's very, very fast. This phone is shaping up to be pretty awesome. So this is, well, okay, I didn't realize I was going to zoom out that much. I'm not used to this because I have an iPhone X and you have to scroll up to get to your like little thing here. So the brightness on this phone is quite nice. It's suitable enough for me. So let's load the zoo here on both of these devices. So 1, 2, 3, zoo. That did it a little bit faster than this, and this has this is a Tab 6. So this has a pretty good processor in it. But in the moment we try to go back home, it's about the same speed there. But loading the zoo, but loading the zoo is just a tad bit faster on there. And that's a process that usually took my Amazon Fire 8 or even the Fire, well, not the newest Fire 10. The newest Fire 10 is actually pretty awesome, but it would take it several seconds. And just doing anything like going here and grabbing this, you would see frames, like you'd be able to count them, like it would move very slowly. And on here, it's I mean, both of these are very comparable in speed. This game is so addicting. I can see that she needs help, so I'm gonna go here and fill this, and I'm gonna ask for help for that, and then it'll pop up a little notification for me on my end in a second here and say that she needs help. So I can fill this. Oh man, I'll fill this, and then we'll go back. Oh wait, it said there it goes. There's that. I don't have any, but I can use a coupon and do it for her. And now it says it's filled. So anyways, stupid game. I'm addicted to it. But this phone is it's tiny, but man, it's quick. It's awesome. And this is a phone that a little girl, I hate saying little, but you know, a child that's fixing to be a teenager is going to have this in her hands, and this is going to fit in her pockets and in her hand a lot better than a huge phone would. All right, so I told my daughter to use her phone like she normally would, use her apps, all her TikTok, everything that she normally does on her Android. Told her to do it on here. And now her battery is, I keep forgetting you gotta go up on this one, is at 13%, which is good, because now when I plug this in, it'll charge at, it should say 18 watts, because that's what this phone says it can do. So there was 15, and okay, so we're staying at 13, 14. It's not bad. It's not bad. This isn't the official Apple charger, so just keep that in mind. Some people say that one works the best because it's Apple. But there we go. Charging at a good 14 watts right now. 14.5. Okay, so that's definitely faster than 5 that you get out of the box. That's 3 times faster already. And so I wanted to go ahead and try out an Aki charger as well. So let's see if this one is any faster. It vibrated a second time, which told me it was fast charging. and that's about the same. And this is an Anker 18-watt charger as well. So let's go ahead and try that. And see if we get 18 watts. I want to see the magic number of 18. Okay, so I have the official Apple 18-watt charger coming. So hopefully we'll see if that makes a difference. But, 14, 15 watts still is better than 5. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Comments are disabled at the time of filming. That's because I have videos of my daughter when she was younger, and YouTube decided I'm not allowed to have comments. So that may change in the future, but as of filming this, you can't leave a comment. And sometimes comments stay open for a few minutes, and then YouTube's like, oh crap, we left your comments open, and they press the button and disable. Oh man. Reach me on Twitter or Instagram if you want to chat with me. I keep Twitter open all day long with my email and Twitter, so I am instantly get notified if you tweet me. But I'm gonna go let this phone charge up and give it to my daughter, and we're gonna charge it a steady 14 to 15 watts using this Anker charger and the Aki charger and this Anker charger.
Hi guys, I have a TikTok, and my TikTok is Abigail Draws with 2 S's. It really makes my day when I get followers. Please go follow it if you want to make my day. Bye!